crank is nice and clean. So, a little story about the crank. I went through about a half gallon of mineral spirits and like 3 cans of brake cleaner cleaning this crank out. Getting inside of all these little ports and blowing them out. There's just this gritty residue, probably from polishing. I did hand polish some of these journals because they were a little rough, but yeah, just took some 1000 grit sandpaper and some shoestring, and you just kind of wrap it around and shimmy, and it'll polish up the journals. So yeah, there was like residue inside of these little ports here, and just kept coming, and it took a while to get that to stop pouring out black. So yeah, spend some time really cleaning out those pins. Best thing to do, there's 2, there's 1 on each side, plug one, blow it out, and then so when you blow in through one, it'll come out the adjacent crank pin. So just kind of like alternate back and forth, blocking one of the ports, and you'll eventually blow it all out. Feels fairly smooth. Alright. Well, I think that's about it for right now. Obviously I got a long way to go, but at least, Jesus Christ, at least this part's done. So, alrighty then.